With rent roll's extended data feature, this allows you to create customised fields to generate unique dashboard reports. These extra fields allow you to analyse data in ways outside the scope of Sage 50. In this guide, I'm going to be showing you one way of utilising the extended data feature. I'll create a custom dashboard widget displaying a property class count in rent roll. First off, I'm going to be selecting the property module from the navigation bar and selecting a property. Once inside the property record, in the left content panel, select the Analysis tab. You will find the usual 6 analysis fields available in Sage 50 already. Any information populated in these will pull through on the sync. Now click the Configure button. On this form you have the option of 5 pop-up fields, 5 text fields, 5 numeric fields and 5 date fields. At the bottom you can also add additional boxes that appear under the details of the department. I'm going to use one of the pop-up fields to create a property class widget. So here you will click OK when done. In the Analysis tab I have now a drop-down field labelled as property class. To add a drop-down value, simply type into the box, I'm going to enter residential and press enter and then update to save. For example, for this property I will make the class commercial. Again, press enter and click update to save the class. The property field will now be available on all properties. I will select another property. I'll go to the Analysis tag. I will classify the property as residential. As I've already entered it previously, it's available to be selected. Remember to update. I will go into another property. I will classify this property as car park and update. I can repeat this process for all my properties. To create my widget, I will go into the Dashboard module. Now select Configure in the top right. Find the Property Class widget and click Add Widget. I'm going to change the widget here to display in a pie chart layout. I'll preview the widget before adding it to Dashboard. I'm happy, so I will click OK to publish with the widget. And now click the Exit button to be presented with the dashboard. You can now see the created widget report, counting the number of properties per class. These are many ways of utilising the extended fields, but this one was just one example. If you found this video helpful in any way, please follow us on all of our social channels for more rent roll tips and property related content. Thank you.